In just 1 week I changed 4 local times and 6 cities. I had a 24-hour walk through New York, from Manhattan to Williamsburg, from Chelsea to Dumbo, and so on. All these streets in one breath. New York is a palette of color randomly selected as a work by Basquiat, a rhythm to dance to the Grandmaster Flash, a nerve center of cultures as in Spike Lee films, and it is practical, concrete, but also extremely fast as a step of breakdance of the Rocksteady crew. I started rapping when I was 13, and I'm used to create soundtrack and also electronic and hip-hop music. To me, New York is a source of great inspiration, and I'd like to create for the city soundtrack something that bring me back to the old school. I found a safety sign catching unexpected frequencies typical of a Roland 808.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, get back to it. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it, let's go. Oh, give me that, get back to it.
The ice cream track has become my melody, transforming itself from this into this.
Give me that, get back to it. Oh, let's go. Oh, give me that, give me that, give me that. Oh, give me that, give me that.
John Cage said, "Now I don't need a piano, I have the 6th Avenue with whole its sound." And it's true.
Let's go. Oh, give me that, give me that, give me that. Oh, let's go. Oh, give me that, give me that, get back to it. Oh.
Coney Island is a completely different soundscape. Here, far from the metropolitan life, you can hear the sea, seagulls. You can hear the delicate sounds of your footsteps in the sand. Walking and jogging, but what connects Williamsburg and Manhattan is a bridge of life flowing. Far from the hubbub of voices of people in the streets and by the light of neon of Times Square is Central Park. Lying between earth and heaven can make your heart beat faster and in love with this city. New York is so much more. Smoke coming out from the underground in any season. You are used to seeing it, but I let you hear it. So now, please, just listen. If New York were a musical instrument, it will be a turntable, ready to scratch your favorite vinyl.